Well, there's no more coming back from this one. Time to get these lifters out of there before it does something bad. Great. Oh, I feel so bad for you. Don't worry, I'll take care of your heart. Be all better soon. I've been wanting to do a cam swap video for you guys. Needless to say, I guess my truck put its hand up and says it's gonna be me, because we are having some DOD lifter issues, which if you deal with a bunch of LS stuff, you guys, you know that the DOD lifters are trash and will go out. Man, I'm constantly changing my oil and, you know, on the repairs and everything like that, and it didn't last, which 111,000 miles, which that's pretty good. I guess I'll say it lasted. But we've got to take this thing all the way apart. Headers, heads, radiator, I mean everything. Pretty much we're gonna do a top end rebuild on this thing. So y'all guys stay tuned. Houston, we have a problem. Or I guess you could say we found the problem. So either, I don't know, it might be the rocker or the lifter. I'm gonna have to just get it apart a little bit more and go from there. Wish me luck. Good lifter. I'm trying to push down. Bad lifter. Ow. Takes some pressure, but solid. Not. Okay, just got it rebuilt. A little nervous. Here we go. Haven't even started it. Open headers, so probably gonna be a little loud. Hopefully it should start. start this morning.